Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Let us solve a problem on cost sheet. We are required to calculate prime cost, factory cost, cost of production and cost of sales. So direct materials, direct wages and direct expenses, all these three things will go under prime cost. Factory rent and rates, this will come under factory overheads. Indirect wages, factory, again factory overheads. Factory lighting, factory overheads. Factory heating is factory overheads. Power relating to factory, so factory overheads. Office stationery, this will be office overheads. Director's remuneration, the director is related to the factory setup. As such, it is factory overheads. Director's remuneration, office, so this will be office overheads. Factory cleaning, this will be factory overheads. Sundry office expenses, as such, this will be office and administration overheads. Factory stationery, this is again factory overheads. Water supply, factory, this again comes under factory overheads. Factory insurance, this will be again factory overheads. Office insurance will be office and administration overheads. Legal expenses office, this will be office and administration overheads. Rent of warehouse will be selling and distribution overheads. Depreciation plant and machinery will be factory overheads. Depreciation of office building will be office and administration overheads. Depreciation of delivery van, this will be relating to sales, so selling and distribution overheads. Bad debts arises because of sales, as such it will be selling and distribution overheads. Advertising, again selling and distribution overheads. Salaries of salesmen, selling and distribution overheads. Upkeeping of delivery van, selling and distribution overheads. Bank charges will be office overheads. Commission on sales will be selling overheads. Rent and rates of office, this will be office overheads. Loose tools written off, this will be factory overheads because it is loose tools are used in the factory setup. Then output, this is the sales figure. So these are the information. Let us quickly solve the problem. In this problem, they have not given any information relating to the opening and closing stock of raw materials or work in progress of or finished goods. So this is a straight cut simple problem. Let us solve this. So we have direct raw materials 33,000, direct wages 35,000 and direct expenses 3,000. Cost sheet for the period ending. So the time frame of the cost sheet is not given. So we'll leave it as it is. In this problem, the number of units produced is also not given. So we'll keep it blank. Because number of units produced is not given, we will not be able to find out the cost per unit. Okay. So let us start with direct materials consumed. This figure is directly given in the problem. So that is 33,000. Then coming to direct wages and direct expenses, it's 35,000 and 3,000. If we add all these three figures, we get prime cost. So prime cost is 71,000. We have already bifurcated the expenses as factory overheads, office and administration overheads, and selling and distribution overheads. Let us quickly write it one by one. So we have factory rent and rates, 7,500. Then indirect wages factory, 10,500. Factory lighting, 2,050. Factory heating, 1,500. Power, 4,400. Then director's remuneration, 2,000. Factory cleaning, 1,000. Factory stationery, 750. Water supply 1300. Factory insurance 1100. Depreciation plant and machinery 2000. And loose tools return of 600. If we add all these overheads coming under factory overheads, it comes to 34,700. We don't have opening stock of work in progress, neither we have closing stock of work in progress. So to the prime cost, that is 71,000, if we add 34,700, we get factory cost or works cost. So that comes to 1,05,700. So factory cost is 1,05,700. Now let us add all office and administration overheads quickly. So we start with office stationery 900, directors remuneration office 4,000, office insurance 500, and legal expenses 400. Depreciation of office building 1000, bank charges 100, and then we have rent and rates 500. Sundry office expenses 200. If we add all these office overheads, we get 7,600. And then this 7,600, if we add it to the factory cost, that is 1,05,700, we get total cost of production. So total cost of production will be 1,13,300. Next, opening stock of finished goods and closing stock of finished goods. We don't have this information. So cost of goods sold will be 1,13,300. Next, we need to add all the selling and distribution overheads. Rent of warehouse 300. Then depreciation of delivery van 200. Bad debts 100. Advertising 300. Salaries of salesmen 1,500. Upkeeping of delivery van 700. Commission on sales 1,500. We don't have any other selling and distribution overhead. So if we total that, we get 4,600. Now this 4,600, if we add it to the cost of goods sold, that is 1,13,300, we get cost of sales. So cost of sales comes to 1,17,900. Next, we need to find out whether sales information is given. So over here, output sales at rupees 40 per unit, 5,000. It is output in tons. So 5,000 tons. Okay. We need to find out the value by multiplying it by rupees 40 per unit. So sales will be 5,000 units into rupees 40. That comes to 2 lakh. So how do we find out profit or loss? This profit is equal to sales minus cost of sales. So 2 lakhs minus 1,17,900, we get profit or loss. So in this case, we have profits because sales is 2 lakh and the cost of sales is 1,17,900. So the profit comes to 82,100. That's a simple problem on cost sheet, students. Hope you all had a pleasant learning experience. See you all in the next video. In the next video, we will look into a little complicated problem on cost sheet. Thank you.